Introducing short sentences to kids is a great way to help them learn how to read and write. Short sentences are easy to understand and can help kids build their vocabulary and grammar skills. Let's begin. Let's read. The cow gives us milk. Let's repeat, children. The cow gives us milk. The cat is chasing a mouse. Let's repeat, children. The cat is chasing a mouse. The sky is blue. Let's repeat. The sky is blue. The sun is hot. Let's repeat. The sun is hot. Birds can fly. Let's repeat. Birds can fly. I like to read books. Let's repeat. I like to read books. My favorite color is red. Let's repeat. My favorite color is red. The moon is bright. Let's repeat. The moon is bright. The tree has many leaves. Let's repeat. The tree has many leaves. The dog barks loudly. Let's repeat. The dog barks loudly. The flowers smell so good. Let's repeat. The flowers smell so good. I saw a butterfly in the garden. Let's repeat. I saw a butterfly in the garden. The fish swims in the pond. Let's repeat. The fish swims in the pond. Good job, kids!